Hi there. It's the 22nd of June, very late. Actually, I just posted something onto LinkedIn, which I found quite amusing. Let's see if it's here. Yeah, this one. You should read it. I think the other side of the serial line. It's not written by me, it's written by Claude, and it his recordings of the OpenBSD VMM SMP work that we have had going on for 2 months. So you have seen it in other videos, but that's not what we are going to talk about today. We are going to continue on the weather forecast service. Let me just minimize these. I think it's in this one. Okay, it has stopped. So let's resume it. A bit bigger font perhaps. And of course, when restarting, we should bring up the effort. So, even if I fell asleep last night, there was actually something useful coming out of it. If you remember, I asked you to visualize the weather forecast training service for Hills Golf Club. And it actually looks like this, the Hills Almanac. So the coming hours, 11.3 degrees Celsius, 10.5, 9.8. It's the night temperatures here. We can see the different temperatures, and you see we have like a dozen or so of weather forecast sources giving slightly different forecasts. And what we have done is that we continuously save the forecasts for the next 24 hours. And then we record with true data from weather stations, and we check which forecast engines do best. And then we train with the error, and we make a weighted new mixture. So here we see the black line, which is the weighted temperature that we expect. It's not just temperature, it's of course rain. We have no rain here, no chance of rain. The wind, you can see that there are some forecasters that have much stronger wind. We have the gust winds, and we have the direction of the winds. And we can just look at a signal, like if we want just Danish. You see, the Danes are really good at this. The Finnish, yeah, sure, that's good. SMHI, yeah, good. And Yr, which is the Norwegian. Yeah, these are simple days, not much, no fronts or anything, so we don't do much errors. And then we can see here in the ledger our weights. We see that we have high weights on DMI, on FMI, on SMHI and YR. UKMO. Okay, that's UK. They have been really good. Actually, really good. Well, that's good. So, this is the vibe coding result from the last 2 days. And it actually has a few problems. Like here, they you see the source here, it collides with the uh, well, is it 0 to 24 hour or something? That's probably 0 to 24 hour from the temperature. No, it's not 0, it's 12 to 24. I see that here. Okay, so the first column of rain overrides the last column of temperature. And this we have to explain and get fixed. The resulting page is pretty, but in the, what do we call that? I have to understand the word here. It's not a source, but it's I'm not really sure what these are called. Variable, of course, it's called variable. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. So I'll just stop.